I suppose that was as good a time as any to start the vlog. I didn't vlog at all at Six Flags America. The Mind Eraser was down the entire day, so I didn't get that. But I just got for Bolton. And it's very good. It's also pretty intense. I don't know if it's because I'm still dehydrated, but I grayed out on that helix. Not that you can even tell, because it's in the dark. Yeah, very good. I'm a little disappointed I didn't get on Big Bad Wolf when it was operational, because I really kind of wanted to as a kid, but I'm happy with that. Alright, back at it again, even though it's several hours later, because I don't really like doing this. But, I checked in my hotel, now I'm trying to do night rides on Pantheon. Let's see how much it improves. Alright, I'm back. It's about an hour to park close. I need to grab another ride on Twisted Timbers. See how that is. And Racer 75, the other side I didn't get. Then I'm going to do I-305 marathon. But I need to hydrate first. Hydration is important. Alright, my thoughts on the park so far. It's quite nice. Not quite Kings Island level, but I might like it more than Cedar Point, which is probably going to cause some controversy. But that's pretty cool. The light package on that. Well, I just got off my night ride on Twisted Timbers and it's moving. Now I'm gonna go for last ride night in I-305. Hopefully. Alright, I'm back for day 2 at King's Dominion. I got my fast lane. Again, even though I didn't really need it that much, but the lines here don't get that long unless it's like Dominator, because when the longest I've seen it was like an hour. So maybe I'll use it for that and come in handy. And use it for I-305 and Twisted Timbers. Alright, I'm at Hershey Park. There's Drop. First visit here, I didn't vlog at all at Hershey Park for some reason. I'm also back on the camera because I was using my phone battery too much. So Demon Drop's actually pretty good. A lot better than I thought it would be. More comfortable. Field Force is pretty underrated. I'm doing the base flume time. Alright, so I went to Snowballs for part of the day after Dorney. I'll be back here tomorrow. I didn't vlog at all because I was focusing on getting as many rides in the limited time I had. But yeah, I'll definitely be back tomorrow. Get the remaining credits. It's 2, Black Diamond and Cosmo. And then that's it. Remaining credits, maybe burn the rest of the money. $20. Take that Skyride thing. And get some pictures of the rides. More pictures. I really like this park. It's kind of like Indiana Beach, but not quite. Alright, I'm at this Wonderland to get the CCI, just to get the credits and then out of here. But a little bummed about that because this park is actually really kind of perfect for families. It deserves the 2019 Golden Ticket Award for Best Value Park in my opinion. It's quite charming and off the Merle's Bam, and it's a nice ride with a fairly cute story in my opinion. Alright, I figure that's a great way to start the vlog, fashionably. Start at Hershey Park. My technical second ever visit, but I only did Dark World, Chalk World, whatever that's called. So it's like 8:30, and yeah, I haven't even done anything. I wanted to focus on. Hey!
Let's go. What's up, man? What's up?
What's up? First time for everything. But, yeah. Sky Rush is amazing. It's well worth the trip out here. It's the new number 2. Moving lightning rod down to 4, and today it's still being 3. It's going to stay 3 for a day else. Alright, so it's the last day of my trip. I'm just doing Hershey's Chocolate World and doing the trip to the credits that I need in Maryland. Then I'm heading back to the Flight Museum near Dulles, and then I'm gonna fly home. So I'm doing the chocolate tour. It's been about 20 some odd years since I've last done it. I'm sure they changed it and updated some of it. We'll see. I don't remember much because it was 1999. But it does look pretty nice. Probably going to create my own chocolate bar or two. I might name one Brian Manjona. So I did the build your own chocolate bar thing. It was about an hour. I recommend you do that first and bring like a cooler or something so we could store it without it melting or anything like that. I don't really have that luxury, so I'll probably have it a little melted. Maybe not, but when I get home I'll stick it in the refrigerator or freezer and eat it later. It's pretty good. It's worth the hour and about $30, I'd say. And that's it. I would definitely get there early because when I went, they were selling 10:30 tickets, and I'm like, hey, could I get one earlier? And they gave me a 9:30, which was like that time right now. The time that happened is 10:30 right now, so I would highly recommend doing it like first thing when you get here.